Hello friends and welcome to TechnoSage. So in this video we will talk about how we can apply the license for our newly created VMware ESXi. So as you can see on my screen, you can see there is a statement written that you are currently using the ESXi in evaluation mode. The license will expire in 60 days. So that's true that the evaluation license is only for the 60 days and you need to get the license in order to apply it to continue use after the 60 days. So how you can apply the license once you get from the VMware website. So what you need to do, you need to go to the VMware website and you need to get the license first for your ESXi server. You can Google it and you can directly go to the VMware site to get the license. So once you get the license, you need to apply that license into your VMware ESXi. So if you are not sure how you have to install this VMware ESXi, you can go and check our video which explains how to install the VMware ESXi on your physical box or the physical server. And we have also in one of our video we have also mentioned how we can do the network configuration for VMware ESXi. So here we'll talk about the license first. So once you log into your VMware ESXi, by default you will be in the host section. Just click onto the manage section. And on the manage section you will see something called licensing. So in the licensing you will see that you are currently in the evaluation mode. Once you get the license, just click onto the assign license part and just paste the license that you have got from there and click on to check license. So you can see that it was loading and now it has said the license is valid for VMware 6 Enterprise Plus, and then click on to the assign license. So now I have assigned the license. It's loading up and it says that VMware VMware vSphere 6 Enterprise Plus, and now the expiration date is never. So now I have successfully assigned the license for this VMware ESXi, and now I'm no more using the 60 days trial or the evaluation period. So this way you can assign the license for your VMware freshly created VMware ESXi server. This is it from this video. I hope you like this video. Please do let us know in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys.